Today in the GoSun Kitchen, we're making my wife's favorite, pumpkin risotto. Your wife might like pumpkin risotto. If she hasn't had it, she probably will, because it's delicious. Or your husband, for that matter. If you haven't made it, give it a shot. It's pretty simple. So we're going to start by just lining our parchment into the insert here. It helps with cleanup. Pour your rice in there, smash and chop your garlic. Short grain rice, I used an arborio. You could also use carnaroli. Those are the two most common risotto types of rice, but any short grain rice will work. It'll get that nice sticky kind of texture, kind of like Asian rice. I actually used sushi rice once because I was out of everything else, and it came out half decent. So don't be afraid. Use the short grain rice of your choice. That's just some organic pumpkin pack. Kind of whisk that into a little bit of water. It'll make your life easier rather than folding it into the dry rice. This way you can just kind of pour it over the top. As you see, we added some onions there, garlic, a couple sprigs of thyme, and then you just drizzle your liquid over the top there. Here we are outside. Kind of a crappy day outside, to be perfectly honest. The sun wasn't super bright, but this thing's powerful, so it can do the job even with not super powerful sun. Here you go, about 30 minutes later. You can see that nice plumped kernels, little faded orange color. If you want a super vibrant orange color, you could add a little bit more pumpkin pack in this step here. So what we're doing, just put it into a mixing bowl. I'm just doing one serving. A nice gob of butter. Look at how much butter that was. It's pretty awesome, right? Parmesan cheese. Just grate that in there with your little microplane. That's going to melt in there real nice. Give it that awesome unctuous texture that risotto is known for. Make a nice little dollop. Little mound there. A little bit of garnish since it's kind of a romantic dinner thing here. Look at that beautiful little sprig of thyme, mirroring the time that we cooked the risotto in. Grate some more cheese on top. There you go. 30 minutes solar pumpkin risotto.